Hello guys, how are you? This is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixer. Today we will check for the what are the setups for the tomorrow Monday's market. We'll check what is the things or statistics or facts that might affect Indian market, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty. The first we will check the global signals. Let's see the Dow. There is 201 points down. Dow is 201 points down. Nasdaq is 91 points down. SGX Nifty 76 points down. Nikkei is 28 points down. Shanghai is 45 points down. Hang Seng is 290 points down. So we can see this negative data from global signals. So we can say Indian market may open negative for tomorrow, as the global signals are negative from all the global markets. Now time to check out the Nifty technicals. Here is the Nifty graph for the 1 day chart. If you see 1 day chart, the last candle, there is a doji type candle. That means a market is confused. They don't know where to take the market, in uptrend upside or downtrend downside. That is bulls and bears were confused in the market on the daily chart. Graph is showing this. Now check the RSI, which is at 62. If you can see here, it is a little bit bullish. And now see the MACD line. This red line is MACD signal line, and this one is MACD line. If MACD line crossed above the signal line, then it is so bullish trend. So if you can see here, the MACD line is above the signal line, so we can say MACD is showing a bullish trend. Now if we check the closing opening price for the Nifty, closing was 10,564 and opening was 10,560. Highest was 10,582 and then 10,527 were the lowest price. If you check the closing and opening, there is just 4 points difference. So we can say Nifty gains only 4 points and closed. But important thing is Nifty actually gain. It is in green. Now time to check out the weekly graph for the Nifty. We check weekly graph. Just see these 4 week candles. You can just identify that these are showing the uptrend for the on the weekly chart for the Nifty. This one you can see one after one. There are 4 candles which are in green. Now if you check RSI indicator, it is at 57, which is neutral, and if it's a MACD line, it is just below the signal line. It means MACD is showing negativity or downtrend on weekly chart for the Nifty, but on RSI and candlestick it is looking good. So we can say Nifty is bullish for the week, or if it is not bullish, then it may remain flat for the week. And next week, which is starting from tomorrow, is expiry week of the Nifty. So if we check on weekly chart, Nifty has gained 166 points. So we can say Nifty is gaining on weekly basis. Now time to check Bank Nifty. And if we check the 1 day chart for the Bank Nifty, and if you see this last candle, it is a bearish candle. So we can say Bank Nifty is bearish on daily chart. If we take eye on this RSI, which is at 50, which is neutral, and if we see the signal line and MACD line, so MACD just above the signal line, so we can say MACD is showing Nifty, Bank Nifty is little bit bullish. If we check the closing high price and all, we find that 24,943 was the closing. Lowest was 24 4839, and opening was 25,126, whereas it made a high of 25,126. That is, opening was highest for the Bank Nifty for the last day, Friday. So we can see an crucial data, that is Bank Nifty is below 25,000. So this is all about the daily chart of Bank Nifty. Now time to check out the weekly chart for the Bank Nifty. If you see this last one, again the doji, it means bull bears are confused on weekly chart for Bank Nifty. If we check this RSI, which is at 50, again neutral, and if you check this MACD line, it is below the signal lines, so we can say it is showing bearish trend on the weekly chart. So this is all about the Bank Nifty. Now time to check the option for the Bank Nifty. Now if you check a bank option for the Bank Nifty here, you will find that 25,000, this one, 24,500 has the maximum open interest. So we can say if Bank Nifty fall, this can act as a support zone. 24,400 and 24,500 is 24,500 is going to be a support for the Bank Nifty if it fall. Now the other thing is, check out the change in open interest. So people are thinking this is going to be a strong support for the Bank Nifty, and here is some other support, that is 24,600 and then 25,000, but Bank Nifty has given closing below the 25,000 level. Then we have to check this level 24,500 and all these level 24,700, 24,600 input. So this one is going to be support. And if we check for the call, then 25,000 call has the maximum open interest. Maximum open interest has been seen for the 25,500 followed by 25,000. Then we can see the 25,300 call has the maximum open interest. So we can say if Nifty give rally, then 25,500 is going to be the major resistance, and 25,300 will also going to be the major resistance. Another resistance is 25,000 as well. So we can check out the range for the Nifty. Then 24,500 to 25,500 is going to be the range for the Bank Nifty. Now time to check the option chain data for Nifty as well. If we check option data for Nifty, then we'll find that the maximum open interest has been seen for this level, that is 47, that is 10,400 put, and then 10,500. The maximum has 10,500. You can see that is 54 lakh. This one is has the maximum open interest for the 10,500, 10,400, 550, 10,450. If you can see, this is going to be the major support, the 10,400. So we can say if Nifty fall, then this can act as a major support. And this, if you check the change in open interest, this line, so you will find these all are maximum negative. So people are not thinking about the support below 10,500. So major support is going to be 10,500, and then we can see the 10,550 has maximum open interest. So we can say it is also going to be the major support. Now time to check the call. Now see the call, that is 10,700 has maximum open interest, then 10,600. So we can say the Nifty has a range between 10,500 to 10,700. The very narrow range Nifty has 10,500 to 10,700. So we can say Nifty may not fall below 10,500 and also may not go up above 10,700. This is the range for the Nifty. And most important thing is next week it has an expiry. Hope you understand this. Now time to check out block deal on Nifty on NSE. See this one. The L&T Limited has sold 10,000 shares of L&T Infotech with this price. So L&T Infotech may have some pressure in next trading session. You can check this and keep eye on this. Now it's time to check out the watch list for the, we have checked out the global signals. Time to check out watch list for the tomorrow trade. What you can have watch list, you may have in watch list is Setco Auto, Graphite India, STR Tech, Workhard Pharma, KPIT, Radico Khaitan, Prague Milk, Mahindra CIE and Quick Hill. These are for the watch list. I cannot suggest you to go for any trade without consulting your financial advisor. So if you want to take any trade in these shares, first you consult with your financial advisor. This is all about the technicals and trade setup for the Monday. Hope you like this. If you like, you can share the video and you can comment your suggestion as well. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, because your subscription is our motivation. Thank you very much for the watching. Hope you like. Thank you.